anubanata, meaning that if the meat runs today, if the kill runs away today, you still have tomorrow. It's a proverb that assures us that we as Igbo people use to stay confident that we can still get and achieve what we want tomorrow. Today you could be down, depressed, maybe that exam that you've been writing, maybe that application you've been submitting, maybe all these things are not yielding you something. In a moment we get down on ourselves and we start to think, we start the process that we're not capable. See, the point of Doctor's Message, the point of we're gonna walk with you to your success. The point of it's not about what it looks like, it's about what it feels like. It's to get those people over the hump. People like myself who struggle to get to this where I am right now. I'm grateful. Although I didn't match this cycle, I'm grateful because I am becoming a medical doctor. I want to let you know that it doesn't stop at no. Many people are going to tell you no before you get a yes. But when you get that yes, that's that gratification that all that you've worked in to become is in process or has been processed. But once you get it, the journey does not stop. So what we're going to do this year and moving on forward, as I launch this website, is that we're going to continuously encourage success for the culture. For the culture. For everybody who's a minority, who needs to get somewhere, we're going to get you to that success. This is Doctor's Message. It's not about what it looks like. It's about what it feels like.